Windows, right?
Yes, sir, but like my computer, I don't know. It's like
Mm. There might be some setting. Okay, leave it. Suppose that this is a list, okay? This is a list. And these lists are having some numbers, okay? 8, 9, 3, 2, 18, 23, 22, 29. Okay. So searching means what? Tell me.
like finding something in an easier way.
Yeah. So how can you search something in this list?
So I can uh put the
Suppose
name
that
of the list.
suppose that this is called list one.
Okay. Then
So
I can do list one and
hmm,
then write the index number, maybe.
if I'll ask you to search some number, suppose that where is 23? Whether 23 is there or not. If it is there, then what is index?
Okay.
These are index, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
One way I think we can use loop.
yes, some
Um,
pre-built function also told you. If you write something like list dot index and the element which you are looking at, it will give you the index of that number. This is the one-way shortcut way, right?
yes, sir.
Another way you can use loop, what you said. So in loop, what will you do? You can use some loop like this, or maybe I can take in the I in range of list one.
Mm-hmm. And if I equals to
No, try.
oh,
If list one of I,
yeah.
well, this is
Sorry,
index, right? This is
Yes.
index. I am the
how are you, sir?
I am good. Like this, you can write list one. Suppose that this is a variable item. This is kept on item, okay?
Mm.
Then
Sorry to interrupt, but which concept are you teaching?
searching. Actually, it is
Oh,
already taught, just I'm revising, okay?
are we here today?
No. So
Oh,
for
okay.
I'm writing here for I in range of list one of I. Oh, sorry, range of len of list I. Len is missing. Okay. And then I'll check if list one of I is equal to item, then I can say break. That's all.
Oh, so this is basically indexing, right?
This is just searching an element is there. Yeah, it is already taught to you, but I'm just telling
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah, I did it too, sir.
Hmm. Did you understand, Jania, this one?
Yes, sir.
If I'll ask you to write a function based on this, can you do this? Yeah, Randeep, go ahead.
Sir, I did a few assignments, if I may share.
You have any doubt?
No.
Then leave it.
Okay.
Suppose
Except
that.
for optimization, do you think I should worry about optimization, sir?
Oh, not much now.
Okay.
You just solve
It's
CCC
not,
question. CCC questions.
Yes, sir. I did do some. I'm talking about CCC questions too.
Don't worry about if you are able to pass all the use cases.
Okay.
So what I said to you, like I have some number called 18 that I need to search. I have some list one like this, like 2, 3, 1, 5, 10, 18, 23,
So
9.
can you do it? Can you not tell the answer now? Can you not reveal yet?
You want to try your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then try. Right, I'll give you a question here, okay?
Okay.
Write a function, okay? Write a function, search, and which takes a number as an argument and returns the index of the number if
Yes,
it
sir.
is found in the list.
So it's specifically a number, right?
Yes.
In a list.
Yeah. So it will search the element and it will return index of that element. It will search n is a function which is taking n as argument, and it will search whether that n is available in this list or not. If it is available, then it will index of that number.
So should I manage duplicates too?
You have duplicate, then you have to know.
No
As
need?
let us assume no duplicate.
Okay.
Are you trying to write?
Yes,
Then
sir.
I'll stop recording. There is no point in recording that. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Whatever you say.